Hey, how you doing? So today I want to give you my opinion about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. There are basically two main reasons why I don't think you should invest in Bitcoin right now. One is the cat's out of the bag. Okay, the thing's already run up a zillion times, and I walked into the pizzeria about a week ago, and the kids behind the counter were talking about cryptocurrencies. They were asking me, what I thought of them, and so once it's people at that level are talking, about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, you have to be sorry about that. You have to be very cautious. You don't want to invest in things when everyone else is doing it, when everyone else is excited. You want to invest in things before people think about it. I'll give you an example of something that you could do, okay? If I were a teenager now, a reasonable idea, if I wanted to do something that I think I could live off of in my retirement with probably very little risk that it wouldn't happen. A good idea that I'm sure you never thought of is you could collect menus from restaurants. Now, if you go on eBay, you'll see that old restaurant menus, sell for, anywhere from a few dollars to over $100. So you do a little research, you get tons of restaurant menus for free. You leave them in some boxes, and then when you retire, you could sell them. If you got a million of them, and the average one, there'll be inflation. So, let's say the average one sold for, $30. That's $30 million. So, that's an idea of something that people aren't thinking of. If you're going to do something that the whole crowd is running after, those ideas rarely work. Okay, so that's the one main reason. And the other main reason is that cryptocurrencies, they're creating more and more of these cryptocurrencies. So, the whole thing could easily get diluted. I think right now there's over 20 cryptocurrencies, or at least 20 that trade at a dollar. And as there's more and more of these things, it's the whole, there's nothing really, controlling the system. So, is it possible I'm wrong? Yeah, it's possible, but it's probably not something I really would want to bet on. However, can you trade cryptocurrencies? Yes. Sophisticated investors in the stock market, they'll trade stocks that they think are worthless, if they think for whatever reason it's going to make a move, today. So, right after they announced that South Korea was invaded the offices of some cryptocurrencies, the Bitcoin went way down. If you bought it after that happened, it went up a lot the next day. I forget, 10, 20%. And you could trade on things like that. That's fair. But I would be very, very cautious about investing today in Bitcoins. Everyone's telling you that there are people who made a fortune, but but that doesn't mean you're going to make a fortune. So, if you're going to invest in things, try to do things, like I said, with the menus, or that people have never thought of. Come up with your own ideas, or start, learning how to invest in the stock market. And so that those are my ideas for, Bitcoin and, cryptocurrency. So good luck.